Hi family, welcome to my channel. My name is Oforiwa. If you are new here, I want to say welcome, and if you are old and coming back, I want to say welcome and thank you so much for being here. Into this video, we are going to be transforming this space into a beautiful, cozy, welcoming Christmas space. It is the most wonderful time of the year. Again, we are back here. I can't even believe it's already that time again. But anyway, this is my first Christmas decorate with me of the year of 2025, and I'm starting off by styling this built-in that I have in the front of my house. This is one of the living room that we have in this house, so I just felt like it was right to start the decorating from the front, and then we're gonna work our way to the back. But in this space, I'm using all things that I already have in the past. So like this two nutcracker, I got them from Ross, and then the two trees on the top, it is from Target, and this beautiful Christmas tree, it is from Home Goods. I picked it up last year, and I just tied some red ribbon around it just to add in the red. And then I have these mini houses that they are all mixed up from all different stores. I have some of it from Home Goods, Marshall, TJ Maxx, or Ross. So they are from many years ago. Some of them are from 2 3 years last year, so I just mixing them up. And the rest, the three that I put in the front, they are lit, and they came with their own pre-lit already. And then I have these trees that I got from Home Goods last year, and I'm just adding it into the built-in. I won't be doing too much in this space just because the Christmas tree gonna be sitting right in the front of this built-in. So because of that, is going to black any decor I put there. So I didn't want it to do too much. As you can see, I put a lot of the white decor pieces in this built-in because I owned a lot of white Christmas decorations. But again, I'm just using things that I already have to start this space, because in this economy, nobody have that much money to just buy everything brand new. I know there's a lot of trend, or there's a trend that going on right now, but I won't be taking part in that this year because I already have Christmas decoration that I have collected years ago, and I don't see the need of leaving all of that in my basement and just going out and buying all brand new thing. And don't get me wrong, this year I did pick up some new things, but I will be missing all of my old and my new. And this year my color scheme is gonna be red, burgundy, green, and some brown, and little bit of gold, and also some cream. So I love mixing colors like this, especially this year. I'm really loving like the burgundy color, and I'm in love. But anyway, I went ahead and set up the tree. This tree, it is from the at home store. I love this tree. It is one of my investment when I finally get into Christmas decorating. It been like 4 years ago. That time I wasn't on YouTube at all, and we used to live in our old house, and I started falling in love with Christmas, so I went ahead and got this tree. So this tree have a history behind it. One day I will explain it to you guys, but for today we will focus on decorating. But I love this tree, and I decided to just put it up in this space because I feel like it fit the vibe and the aesthetic of this room. And yeah, and also I love this tree so much. It is one of my favorite tree that I ever owned, and I put it in my bedroom last year. But because last year this room wasn't ready and this year is ready, I just decided to put it here so that way we can enjoy it more. But anyway, I have ornaments that I pick up from Walmart last year, and I got some I pick up from Ross this year, and I have some that I pick up like 7 years ago from at home. So I have different places ornament, and also I have some that I have collected over the years, and then I also have some of them that were gifted to me by my old boss. So I am just dressing this tree up with things that I have loved in the past, and I still love them. Also, these like burgundy gold ornament, I got them from Ross this year. This year, Ross have some really good Christmas decoration. If you are on a budget and you also looking for affordable Christmas decoration, I would advise you to check Ross. You can really find some really hidden gem there, but in Ross, you just gotta be patient and you have to go constantly. Then you will be able to find some stuff. But also some of the ornament art from Home Goods. You guys know I love to shop from Home Goods, but I went ahead and just decorate this tree till I like it. I kept adding onto it till I finally love it, and I'm decorating it with you guys. So I hope you guys love it. And I mix different colors. I mix up some deep red, just regular red, and then I have some browns and gold and cream and white. So I just mix all of them up, and these are all ornament. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please don't forget to do so, because I have a lot of Christmas content that is coming up. This is my first Christmas decorate with me of the year 2025. So if you are not subscribed, you will definitely be missing out, because I have a lot of spaces in my house that I will be transforming this year for this wonderful time of the year. I know for some people it's too early, but if you come across my video and you feel like you will benefit out of it, you'll get some idea or inspiration from out of it, you can go ahead and save the video so that way later on you can come back and watch it. But I just wanted to start decorating early. Like I said in my previous haul with me, I do help my family members to decorate their homes also. So the sooner I start decorating my space, the better. The sooner I finish, and then I can go ahead and move on to them. So I don't want to keep decorating my home till we get into the Christmas time, which is December, and then they won't be able to get their decoration. So I want to make sure I decorate early this year, and that way I can be able to help other people that do need help. So that's why I'm decorating a little bit early. So if it's too early for you, you can save the video, but also too you can watch just to get some inspiration. But anyway, I came in with this beautiful garland that I picked up from Hobby Lobby this year. I originally got a garland from Walmart, and it wasn't full at all. It dropped a lot of weight. I think I kind of complained to you guys in my previous haul, which I will link down if you are interested to watch that, to see some of my favorite Christmas decoration of this year. But I did return it back to Walmart, and they had the garland in store, and then they were able to change not change it, because Walmart doesn't do a change, but they were able to reimburse me, and then I went back and purchased the garland. So I did not needed the one that I got from Hobby Lobby. So that's why I'm putting on my fireplace. And then I have this slate that I pick up from Target this year. It is part of the Heart in Hand collection of the Christmas decoration 2025. So it come in a pack of two. So I pull each on one of the wall sconces that I got from Facebook Marketplace. This is a Facebook Marketplace, and I only pay $15 for it, and the person lived like 3 minutes away from my house, which was very interesting, because when I checked this seller out, they were like 3 minutes, and I drove there and pick it up. But it is originally from Amazon. So if you guys want, I can link the same thing of something identical to what I have. But anyway, I am going ahead to dress up my couch again. This couch, I got this from a store they call Restore, and I got it for $100. And which, when I was making over this space, I shared that video with you guys as well. So if you are interested in that, you can go ahead and watch it. It is on my channel. So this couch, it is originally from Valley City Furniture, which is American furniture. So I got it from, like I said, from Restore for $100, and I love it, and it looked so good. It fit this space so well. So I'm just gonna ahead and dressing the couch with some pillows that I got last year. The one with the Christmas tree on it is from Target last year. The one with the little snowflakes, it is from Ross, and then the rest are just from Costco and Home Goods. And I have this little blanket again that I got from Target last year. So I'm using things that I've already have in the past, and then these little mini um pillow pillows are from Ross. So if you are looking for like a little statement Christmas pillows, try to check Ross because they have the best deal ever. So I'm going ahead and dressing up my coffee table. This is a DIY, like again, that I made with you guys when I was doing this living room makeover. And this table used to be covered in lot of mirror. So I went ahead and took all of the mirror out and it's holding up pretty good. But anyway, I went ahead and used these stems that I pick up from Target this year, again from the Heart and Hand collection of 2025. And I love these stems because I love the greenery on it. It looks so natural and so real. You have to touch it before you know that it's not. So I decided to style it in this space. And also the tray I'm using, I got it from Home Goods. The vase is from Home Goods. These two little Christmas trees, I got them from Home Goods as well. But this was like 2 years ago, and I love the mini Christmas tree. So you're gonna see me kind of messing around a little bit, playing around with the coffee table till it came up to how I like it, and then I was able to leave it alone. But in the meantime, I just went ahead and play around with it. I add in some deer. I was trying to create a little bit like a village kind of area in the tray. So yeah. But anyway, I just went ahead and kind of just play around with it till I like it. I love this black deer. The deer is from um Ross, and I got it this year. I got it in the bigger size, and then this one I had two of it, so I got three of them from Ross, and it was really, really reasonable. As you can see, I'm just gonna moving it around and playing around with it because sometimes that's how decorating work. You gotta move things around and just gonna play around with the decoration. When you are decorating your home, don't take it too serious. Have fun with it, move things around, relocate things, switch things around, just have fun and have an open mind. And that's the only way you can truly enjoy decorating. But anyway, I play around with it till I like it, and I like the way it turned out right now. I think the coffee table was missing some books, so I went and got some books. And then this little deer, it is a candle holder that I got from an antique store around me here. I went ahead and add in these red candles that I picked up from Hobby Lobby last year. I have a lot of it, and I just decided to start one of it on the table just to tie in the red with the rest of the room. And then this little deer again, it came from Ross. I have a lot of them. I went deer crazy last year and I picked up a lot of the little ones. But anyway, this is how the living room turns out. I hope you guys love it. I love this space. It kind of is giving Christmas, but not too much. But I hope you guys love it. I want to hear what you guys think of my first decorate with me of 2025, and using all old things that I have. Nothing new in here except for the candle, the garland that is hanging on the fireplace, and I think that's it. And the stems from Target this year and the sleigh. So I used most of my theme from last year. So I just want to encourage you to use your old decor pieces that you have, so that way you don't have to go out and buy all brand new, or you can buy some new things and just mix it up with your old stuff. But anyway, I love you all so much. I want to hear from you guys in the comment section what you think of the decorating. Stay safe and stay blessed, and I hope you guys have so much joy and so much happiness in your heart. Don't forget again to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to come back. I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned for more Christmas content because I have a lot of room in my space that I will be starting this year.